What's up everyone, Christian from RackNerd TV. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the error establishing a database connection message in WordPress using cPanel. This is one of the most common and frustrating WordPress errors. When it happens, your site won't load at all because WordPress can't communicate with its database. The good news is, in most cases, this comes down to a very few specific issues: incorrect database credentials, a missing database in general, or corrupted database tables. And all of these can be checked and fixed directly inside of cPanel. And this is where RackNerd's cPanel hosting really helps. With File Manager and MySQL databases and wp-config all included, you have everything that you need to diagnose and fix this problem without installing plugins or reinstalling WordPress. If you're not hosting with us yet, I highly recommend checking us out at RackNerd.com. Our hosting plans make WordPress troubleshooting simple and reliable. Now, before we begin, I will mention that we've already covered the wp-config.php file editing and database maintenance in earlier tutorials. Today, we're combining those steps into one complete fix for this specific error. So let's move into the steps. Start by logging into your cPanel account. Once you're there on the main dashboard, open File Manager. From there, navigate to the folder where your WordPress site is installed. For most sites, this will be the public_HTML directory, unless your site is in a subfolder. Inside of that folder, look for the wp-config.php file. Right-click on it and choose Edit, and then confirm the edit if a warning appears. When the file opens, scroll near the top and look for the database configuration section. You'll see values for database name, database username, database password, and database host. Carefully compare these values with the actual database details in your cPanel account. Make sure that the database name exists, the username is correct, and the password matches exactly. Even a small typo here can cause the database connection error that we're experiencing. Once you've confirmed the credentials, save the file if you made any changes and close the editor. Next, we're going to confirm that the database itself still exists. So let's go ahead and go back to your cPanel dashboard and open MySQL databases. Scroll down to the section that lists your current databases and make sure that the database name used by WordPress is still listed there. If it's missing, WordPress won't be able to connect to anything. While you're on this page, scroll further down and confirm that the correct database user is assigned to that database and has all privileges enabled. If this user isn't assigned, you can add it and grant full privileges right here. Now, if everything looks correct but that error still appears, the issue may be corrupted database tables. To check this, go back to cPanel and open wp-config. In wp-config, select your WordPress database from the left-hand sidebar. Once the tables load, click the checkbox at the top to select all tables, scroll down to the bottom of the page, open the With Selected dropdown, and choose Repair Table. wp-config will attempt to repair any damaged tables automatically. When the repair process finishes, go back to your browser and refresh your WordPress site. In many cases, the site will load normally again after the repair completes. Now, if the error is still there, double check the wp-config.php credentials one more time and make sure that they match exactly with what is listed in the MySQL databases. And that's it. You have now walked through all the steps needed to fix the error establishing a database connection issue inside of WordPress using cPanel. By checking your wp-config.php file, confirming the database still exists, and repairing the tables when needed, you can resolve this problem in most situations without reinstalling WordPress. It's another great example of how RackNerd's cPanel hosting gives you full control over your website. With access to your files and database tools, you can troubleshoot and fix critical issues quickly and confidently by yourself. If you're looking for reliable hosting with full cPanel access, head over to RackNerd.com. And if this guide helped you out, don't forget to subscribe for more clear step-by-step WordPress tutorials just like this one. All right, that wraps things up for me today. I will meet you again in the next video.